Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another nail video for you guys, and in this nail video I am going to be trying out the Salon Acrylic French nails from the Kiss brand. So lately I've been wanting just like a traditional French manicure, and when I saw this I had to try it. So these nails from the Kiss brand do claim that it's better than Salon French. It has an ultra flexible flawless fit, you shouldn't get any bubbles, and it never chips, and it's 10 times stronger. I would believe they're comparing that to their regular French nails, so I had to try it. I was completely sold by just, the packaging alone. I also got it in the square shape and then medium length. So in this video I am just going to be showing you guys, like the application process and then a 7-day wear test. As I am opening up the packaging, I do show you guys it comes with a pink gel nail glue. Along with the other nails, you get a nail file and a wooden cuticle pusher. So now I am going to be matching up the French nails to my nails. I'm going to size them all up. Okay, so once I have all of the correct sizes for my nails, I am going to start prepping my nails. I did off camera dehydrate my nails with rubbing alcohol, and I did push back my cuticles off camera as well. You should push back your cuticles because this will really help, with the fake nails to last longer. And then of course, wrapping up your nail beds, you should do that as well. The glue will adhere better to your nails as well. Once my nails have been properly prepped, I am going to start sticking them to my nails. So the trick to, I think, any type of French fake nail, you're always going to want to make sure that there's enough glue. So I do put, I believe, like 1 or 2 drops on my nails and then 1 or 2 drops on the actual nail, just so that way it adheres better, it lasts longer, and most importantly, there are no bubbles. And I do like to start from my pinky and then kind of like, alternate from each hand, and then I'll save my index finger and my thumbs for last. Don't ever start from your thumbs. It's a disaster when you do. Just start from your pinky and work your way to your thumbs. So I totally messed up here a little bit, and the glue kind of dried a little bit too quickly for me, so I had to apply a little bit more. But anyway, I wanted to also share another tip on how to not get bubbles when you do like any form of fake nails, but especially French fake nails, is to slowly press down the fake nail, and then you'll kind of see, especially with French nails, you can kind of see like how the glue will spread. So then you just kind of slowly press it down, if that makes sense, and allow the air to come out. Does that make sense? If you guys want to see like a more in-depth and close-up look of how I apply like French nails specifically and how I get no bubbles, comment down below. I'll gladly show you that because I am terrible at explaining things and I'm more of a visual person, so yeah. Okay, so now I am going to let you guys enjoy some music, and I'll just be popping in when it's needed, I guess. yeah, I wanted to mention that after I slowly apply the fake nail onto my nail, I do like to press down on it for more than 5 seconds, because I think on the packaging it says to press down for 5 seconds, just, you know, to be safe. I pressed it down for like, I think like 10-15 seconds, and then I did kind of like roll my finger back and forth across from, you know, across on my nail, so that way I really make sure that it's stuck on my nail. So off camera, I do apply the rest of the fake nails to my nails, and I already love how these look on me. I do kind of press down on all of my nails to make sure that they're really not going to go anywhere, and then I do take the nail file and smooth out the little nub at the end of the nails, and then after that I will kind of round them out a little bit, because I do not want to scratch or poke my kids' eyes out with these nails. So yeah. And then once I'm done filing my nails to however I like them, I do not apply any lotions, any nail oil, or even wash my hands for up to an hour, so that way I know that the nail glue is dried and it's stuck onto my nails. Now onto the 7-day wear test. Okay, so I want to give you guys my final thoughts. So by day 5, I was getting some lifting at my cuticles on certain nails because I was really putting these nails to the test and putting the glue to the test. I didn't wear any gloves when I was washing the dishes. And I mean, you obviously will always get like some wear at the tips of the nails no matter what. But other than that, these nails did not chip, they did not break. the white part of the nails did not chip off. These nails were not budging. I will definitely buy these again because these were seriously just $8, you guys. $8. So if you guys want like a salon acrylic French nail look or a French nail manicure, definitely try these out. These are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, or if you are new, please consider subscribing before you leave. Your love and your support really means a lot to me. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you're notified when my videos do go up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.